I'd like to start by saying thank you for using the Simply Color Lab video tutorials. My name is Emily Sullivan, and this video is designed to show you how to download all of the soft proofing profiles for all of the papers offered at Simply Color Lab. This particular tutorial is specific to downloading profiles on a Mac. The first thing that I've done is to open the Simply Color Lab website on my computer. I'm going to find the tab called The Goods. Next, I'll find 100% digital paper prints and click on that. And by scrolling down the page about halfway, you'll find all of the papers that are offered at Simply Color Lab. Each of the soft proofing profiles is available by clicking on the name of the paper that you're interested in. And for the sake of this example, I'm going to click on PhotoRag Bright White. And what you'll see happens is that your downloads box opens and that soft proofing profile begins to download in the form of a zip file. It does take just a few seconds to download completely. What I'm going to do now is just close my downloads box and minimize my browser. And I'm going to find that folder for Bright Rag and open it up. I'm going to take this color profile and just drop it onto my desktop so that I can use my Finder to open my hard drive. So that's exactly what you're going to do, is to select your hard drive. Find the folder called Library, and you're going to open that. And the next thing that you're looking for is your ColorSync folder. Mine is right here on the right-hand side of my screen, so I'm going to open that as well and take that color profile and drop it right into that Profiles folder. So once I've done that, I'm going to close my ColorSync and hard drive folder in Finder and open Photoshop. If you already have Photoshop open on your computer, you're just going to want to close it and restart it. So once I have Photoshop open, I'm going to go all the way up to my top selections bar and click on View and click on Proof Setup, and I'm going to click on Custom. So Custom Proof Conditions is already set on Custom because that's what I've selected. And the next thing we're going to come down to is Device to Simulate. So I'm going to open that up and just scroll down. There are lots of choices to choose from. And what I'm looking for is Simply Color Lab PhotoRag Bright White Profile, which will appear in the selection once you've dropped it in to your Profiles folder, as we did. So I'm just going to click on that. So once that Simply Color Lab PhotoRag Bright White selection is highlighted here, I am going to see a box that's titled Preserve RGB Numbers. You will leave this box unchecked. Below that, there will be a tab titled Rendering Intent. So I'm going to open that and I'm going to choose Perceptual and just double check that Perceptual shows up there. The next box is called Black Point Compensation. This box must be unchecked, so I'm going to uncheck that. The next box is called Black Point Compensation. This box must be checked. And under Display Options, you're going to leave Simulate Paper Color unchecked, and finally Simulate Black Ink also remains unchecked. So we're going to click OK once all of those selections are chosen properly. And now this profile will remain available to you in the same location for future use. It will show you how your image will look when it is printed with our ink on that particular paper that you've chosen and with the UV coating. You may toggle this profile on and off with the View Colors dialog in Photoshop. So once again, this has been the video tutorial to show you how to download the soft proofing profiles using a Mac for Simply Color Lab. We thank you for using this tutorial and we look forward to doing business with you in the future.